Eckhart has been an industrial manufacturing solutions provider since 1958. Manufacturing is a very, very difficult profession. You're under an extreme amount of pressure to work with a constrained supply base. There are part shortages, there's expedites that are coming in from all over the world. An end customer whose tastes and preferences are changing every day.
Insofar as the shortage of skilled workers are concerned, this is a theme we hear constantly from our customers. We can provide solutions that are not replacing operators, but are making up for the operators that they can't hire. We see additive manufacturing, and specifically the lightweighting aspect of additive manufacturing, to be a great solution we can offer to our customers.
Our customers want proven solutions. They want durable solutions. These tools are being used 60 times an hour for an 8-hour shift, 3 shifts a day, 6-7 days a week.
Eckhart's motto is for the life of your line. Anytime we can replace a historically metal component with a lightweight but equally strong, if not stronger, plastic component, then we believe we have fulfilled exactly the promise to our customers that we've made.
And we feel very, very strongly that 3D printing is really the catalyst. It's the enabler that allows us to work with suppliers to iterate, come up with ideas much faster, to test those ideas, and have a proven solution we can use in manufacturing.
We had to design a pick-and-place robot that had a fairly specific end-of-arm tool setup. With additive manufacturing, we were able to design a couple of different prototypes, print them, try them, and ultimately, with limited time and investment, end up with a bracket for the end-of-arm tool that was exactly what we wanted.
We have developed a lug nut starter tool. Normally the operator would pick up a lug nut and start it one at a time. And this is a job that is prone to lead to repetitive motion injuries for operators. Or they can use this tool that is lightweight and able to be used to start all of the lug nuts on a vehicle at once.
Our big focus today is Industry 4.0, and we believe 3D printing has the potential to truly lead significant transformation in the industrial space. So for us, it's the speed and it's the customization that really ultimately is empowered through the use of 3D printing and through our relationship with Stratasys.
With Stratasys and the engineering grade materials, the nylon 12 with carbon fiber, the Ultem 1010, we are able to produce durable, lasting solutions